BEASTCOM Q5 Pro gaming PC stands out with its powerful AMD Ryzen 7 8700F processor running at an impressive 5 GHz. I have provided the link to this gaming PC in the description below if you're interested in purchasing it. Designed to handle intense gaming sessions and demanding multitasking, this PC is built for gamers and creators alike who want a machine that keeps up with their fast-paced needs. Equipped with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 graphics card featuring 8GB of GDDR6 memory, the Q5 Pro delivers stunning visuals with support for 4K HDR, ray tracing, and NVIDIA DLSS 3 technology. This ensures smooth, detailed graphics for immersive gaming and professional-level content creation. The 32GB of RAM helps maintain seamless performance when running multiple applications or heavy software, making lag and slowdown a thing of the past. Storage is handled by a 1TB NVMe SSD, which provides lightning-fast load times for games, programs, and files. This solid-state drive technology not only improves responsiveness but also allows you to store a large library of games and creative projects without compromise. The PC comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Pro, giving you access to the latest operating system features with enhanced security and productivity tools, so you can jump straight into your work or play without hassle. In terms of design, the Q5 Pro gaming PC features a sleek computer tower with full-view tempered glass and 3 vibrant RGB fans that provide excellent cooling while adding a stylish aesthetic to your gaming setup. This system is built not only for power but also to impress visually, making it a centerpiece for any desk or gaming room. The inclusion of Wi-Fi 5 ensures stable and fast internet connectivity, essential for online multiplayer games and streaming. Overall, the BEASTCOM Q5 Pro gaming PC offers a balanced blend of performance, aesthetics, and reliability. Whether you're competing in fast-paced games, streaming to an audience, or working on creative projects, this PC provides the tools and power to excel. With its advanced hardware and ready-to-go software environment, it's designed to keep you ahead in both gaming and productivity. If you want a gaming PC that combines raw power with thoughtful design, the Q5 Pro is an excellent choice. Its impressive specs and attention to detail make it a solid investment for anyone serious about gaming or demanding computing tasks. Check the link below to explore pricing and availability to get started with this beast of a gaming rig.